Hey guys, what's up? This is your pal, the fabulous four-fingered freak, and today I'm going to do my 7th video. That's right. For today, we're going to have a little beer taste test. I bought myself the Iron Maiden Trooper beer, and I got myself an exclusive Iron Maiden glass. That's right. That's right. Because the freak is it. So we're going to open this bad boy up. We're going to drink it. I'm going to tell you how it tastes. All the while listening to, obviously, Iron Maiden. And we're going to start it with the Trooper.
Into the valley of death. Roll the 600. Cannon to right of them, cannon to left of them, volleyed and thundered, the Trooper!
Alright, here we go, guys. I had to let Bruce Dickinson say it. Alright, so, as you can see, on top of the cap, is the brand new Book of Souls Eddie. It's awesome. It's a special collector's bottle cap. I'm going to keep it, actually, in my personal collection. Oh yeah, baby. And I want to personally thank Bruce Dickinson, Steve Harris, Mr. Gears, Smith, and McBrain for this beer. You guys are definitely one of my favorite bands of all time. Thank you to all of you guys, Iron Maiden, for giving us the fans this beer. I know it's going to be awesome. So, cheers, guys. Oh yeah, it smells great, guys. Unlike the Megadeth À Tout Le Monde beer, it doesn't smell of pot. It smells actually of a real old Irish pub, you know? Wow, that's awesome, man. Cheers. Good aftertaste, not too strong. I like it. Oh, here we go. Not as bubbly as Pepsi, but what you gonna do, huh? The freak has got to finish this before the Trooper song ends. That's the challenge. Otherwise, what's the point? Oh! I love it, man. It's great. Wow. Awesome taste. A real classic Irish pub taste. It's awesome. Reasonable price. 500 milliliters, 4.7% alcohol. From the Robinson's Brewery. I guess it's in the UK. Yeah, premium British beer, handcrafted. Have some company-made shit. Right? finished at the same time as the song. Because I am the four-fingered freak. I'm the best. Simple as that. Overall, I give the Iron Maiden Trooper from Robinson's Brewery a thumbs up. 4 fingers out of 4. It's awesome. Go out there, buy it. It's great. And you know what, guys? I know that Maiden may put out another beer called the 666. I think I'm gonna go out, buy it, taste test it for you guys, because I'm starting to like this. You know, beer reviews are great. I also love my Pepsi, but well, beer is beer, if you know what I mean. So anyway, it's awesome. Go out there, buy it. Don't forget, guys, if you like my videos, as usual, click on like. Only takes you a second, right? Subscribe to my channel, because the more there are of you, the more videos I can make for you, right? So, this is the Fabulous Four-Fingered Freak with my second beer review, Iron Maiden's Trooper, saying, see ya!